Okay, here it is, the glove, the finished product that we got here. We got everything sewn to the glove, had to do that by hand, didn't record it because it was an absolute pain. I mean, a nightmare. Did also some of the wiring, didn't record it because it was an absolute nightmare. But we got the light working, and then we got the most important part, the taser working. And, well, I have to wear it in order for the taser to work, which is a safety precaution that I put in. But we sewed the Velcro on so it doesn't come off. And, yeah, it just looks really cool. Wait, one moment. Okay, I am now wearing the glove, as you can see. It takes two hands to use, another safety precaution. So let me just flick that lever right there. Okay, it is now live, and we got those 2 barbs. I actually borrowed from the Taser, and I just bent it for these purposes. And I am, wait, one moment. Okay, set the phone there, and then yes, it is. It's indeed working. And this, by the way, it's actually almost dead because I worked on it while it was almost dead. So if I charge this thing can do some major damage. And it's funny to plug it into the wall because it's just a hand sticking out the wall. But yeah, this is the glove so far, and I might do some future videos where I modify it. But yeah, I'm going to now test it after I charge it. Lighting matches, causing crashes, deterring bears, burning down town square, party tricks, and replacement whips, looking for stuff under your bed, accidentally shocking myself in the head. Hey guys, thank you for watching that video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more content like this in the future, subscribe if you truly enjoyed. And if you want to give any suggestions on what I should do next, or just how I can improve in general, comment down below. I would really appreciate any of those. And also, big announcement, I recently reached 50 subscribers, which is a big milestone, halfway to 100. I'm told 100 is the hardest part, and then after that, it kind of snowballs. So hopefully that's true. And hopefully we can get there. It's been an amazing time building all this stuff and trying to entertain you guys. And I hope that this video will be even more entertaining than all the videos I've done before. And I'll try to make them even better in the future. And thank you for being a part of this wonderful community, and goodbye.